can see it.
Oh.
I don't know. We're gonna get some rain today. We'll have to see.
Can't even see it.
I like that hat style. We're here today with my Uncle Bill, his grandkids, and my Aunt Sue's. Home run. We're heading to the kids area right now to hang out. There's a really cool kids area here at Progressive Field. You can actually, if you're a grown up, watch the game out the window. If you're a kid, you can do all these different kids activities. We'll show you some of them. We'll get to see the end of the game after all. Cleveland #1, Cleveland Wiggle Wagon. Rain delay is over. We got our ice cream, we got some beer. Hopefully we can watch some baseball.
Now batting fourth for the Guardians, the first baseman #22, Josh Naylor.
Did we have fun?
A little fun.
A little fun. Heading home now. I had fun. Always fun to see the Blue Jays play. Jonas, I'll show you something here. One of these players is Bob Feller. Bob Feller was my grandpa's favorite baseball player. He is it this one? Bob Feller. And so back to State College we go. Find our car and head for home.